Hello students, welcome to science class. Today we will continue with chapter heat and today's topic is measuring temperature, right? So students, as we all know that temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. So here in this topic we will study about clinical thermometer, right? Clinical thermometer, it is used to measure human body temperature, right? So thermometer which is used to measure human body temperature is known as clinical thermometer, right? Now, a clinical thermometer, it consists of long, narrow, uniform glass tube and it has bulb at one end. You can see here, this is the picture of clinical thermometer. It consists of long and narrow glass tube, okay, and one end of this tube is sealed and the other end has a glass bulb filled with mercury, right? The bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. If you do not see the mercury thread, then you have to rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. You will find a scale on the thermometer and the scale we use in Celsius is the Celsius scale, which is indicated by degree Celsius, right? Now, if a person has fever, the temperature goes up. However, it never goes above 42 degree or below 35 degree, right? So then we know that students, the normal body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degree Celsius, right? This is the normal body temperature of a healthy person, 37 degree Celsius, or we can say 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, this is the normal body temperature of a healthy person, right? If a person has fever, the temperature goes up. However, it never goes above 42 degree or below 35 degree. So the range of a clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Okay, what is the range of clinical thermometer? 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, right? And one more thing students, this clinical thermometer, it has a special feature, a kink or a constriction in the glass tube just above the mercury bulb. See, just above the mercury bulb, it has a clinical thermometer, it has kink. And what is the function of this kink? This kink prevents the immediate backflow of mercury from the tube to the bulb, thus allowing us to read the temperature conveniently. And this is the reason why we give a jerk to the thermometer before taking a new reading. The jerk positions the mercury below the kink in the bulb. Now students, see this activity. This activity will tell us how we can read a thermometer. Let us learn how to read a thermometer. First, note the temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. Here you can see there are the two bigger marks. So you have to note the temperature difference between them, and also note the number of divisions shown by the smaller marks between these marks. For example, beta, suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them. So one small division can read 1 upon 5, that is equals to 0.2 degree Celsius. Now, after using the thermometer, we should always wash the thermometer, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down and ensure that it falls below 35 degree Celsius. Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue and after 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your body temperature. The temperature should always stated with its unit, that is called the degree Celsius. Now, what did you record as your body temperature? We know that the normal temperature of human body is 37 degree Celsius. Note that the temperature is stated with its unit. Temperature is always stated with its unit. And what is the range of this clinical thermometer? The range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. This is very important question. Okay. Now students, there are some precautions while using the thermometer. We should know what are the precautions. First is, thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Second, ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. Third, read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Means that whenever you read the reading from this thermometer, the level of mercury should be along the line of sight. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. And don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading. Okay, these are some precautions while reading the thermometer.